Is Clean Email safe? The wrong tool could turn your private messages into someone else's business. Email isn't just email. It's receipts, bank alerts, medical notes, even travel plans. If an app mishandles that, your inbox becomes a treasure trove of personal data for hackers and advertisers. That's why safety isn't optional. It's the whole point. Here's the difference. Most free apps survive by selling data. Clean Email survives by charging a subscription. So yes, Clean Email is safe. But let me break it down a little bit more. That means you're the customer, not the product. Privacy isn't marketing, it's the business model. Other tools read message bodies and attachments to figure out what to do. Clean Email doesn't. It only uses metadata like sender, subject, and date. The data is encrypted, and even then, it's wiped after 45 days. Your conversations remain completely private. Passwords are another risk. Clean Email never asks for them. It uses O authentication too, the same login method Gmail, Yahoo. I also don't know if I'm saying that right, but I think that's what it's called. I'm the social media manager, not the developer, okay? But it uses this login method in Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook to rely on, so your credentials stay with your provider. Add GDPR and CCPA compliance, and your rights are protected by strict privacy laws. No app can claim perfection, which is why Clean Email regularly runs security audits and invites security researchers to test its systems. That way, vulnerabilities don't linger, they get fixed fast. And it's one thing for a company to say this. It's another when thousands of users back it up. Clean Email has a 4.5-star rating on the App Store with over 3,000 reviews, plus thousands more on Trustpilot and Product Hunt. Safe, effective, easy to use. That's the pattern. Here's the bigger picture. Even if an app is safe, your inbox might not be. If it's stuffed with years of old emails, when a breach happens, everything sitting there becomes a jackpot of personal data. Old receipts, outdated logins, conversations you forgot about, it's all fuel for identity theft. So keeping your inbox clean isn't just about feeling organized, it's a form of digital self-defense. That's why deleting what you don't need is important. And if you want to see how to mass delete thousands of emails quickly, I'll link that video below. So Clean Email is safe because privacy is built in at every level. But safety also means cleaning out what no longer belongs in your inbox. If you're ready to try it, check the link in the description below for 15% off. A clean inbox is a safe inbox, and Clean Email helps you get both. Thanks for watching.